In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of monetizing YouTube channels quickly, specifically focusing on how you can achieve this milestone in less than 30 days. The purpose here is to equip you with actionable strategies and insights that can transform your channel into a revenue-generating platform. We'll explore proven techniques that have helped countless creators, including some of our very own subscribers, who have successfully reached monetization with the guidance of Ben. Their inspiring success stories serve as a testament to the effectiveness of these strategies, showcasing that with the right approach and dedication, you too can turn your passion for creating content into a sustainable income stream. As we navigate through this journey together, we aim to keep the tone engaging and motivating, ensuring that you feel empowered to take the necessary steps toward your YouTube growth. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your existing channel, the insights shared in this video will provide you with the tools needed to attract more viewers, increase your watch time, and ultimately meet the requirements for monetization. So, if you're ready to unlock the potential of your YouTube channel and learn how to monetize it effectively, stay tuned. We're here to guide you every step of the way, making the process not only achievable, but also enjoyable. Let's get started on this exciting journey to YouTube success, where your creativity can flourish and your channel can thrive financially in no time. Remember, your success could be the next story we celebrate, so let's keep pushing forward together on this exciting path to YouTube monetization. One standout story comes from a subscriber who managed to reach monetization in just 11 days. This remarkable feat showcases the power of dedication and the effective strategies we share in our community. Another inspiring example is a subscriber who achieved monetization in 18 days, demonstrating that with the right approach and consistent effort, rapid success is possible. These stories not only highlight the potential for quick monetization, but also serve as motivation for anyone looking to grow their channel. Additionally, it's important to mention Ben's personal journey. He successfully monetized his own channel in under 30 days. His experience provides invaluable insights into the process, as he has navigated the challenges and triumphs of building a successful YouTube presence. Ben's achievements, along with those of our subscribers, illustrate that with the right mindset and strategies, anyone can achieve their goals on this platform. These success stories are a testament to the effectiveness of the techniques we discuss and the supportive community we've built. Let's dive in together and make the most of this opportunity to achieve channel monetization and turn your passion into profit. This challenge is designed to help you apply proven methods and strategies within a month, setting you on the path to potentially monetizing your YouTube channel. The concept is simple yet powerful. Commit to following a structured plan that focuses on key actions you can take each day to grow your audience, increase engagement, and meet the requirements for monetization. We encourage you to fully embrace this challenge as it offers a unique opportunity to transform your channel and achieve your goals in a relatively short time frame. By dedicating yourself to this 30-day journey, you'll not only gain valuable insights but also develop the discipline needed to succeed in the competitive world of YouTube. It's essential to follow the steps outlined in this video closely, as each action builds upon the last, creating a solid foundation for your channel's growth. We'll provide you with clear guidance and practical tips that have been tested and proven effective by many successful creators. Remember, consistency is key, and by committing to this challenge, you're taking a significant step toward unlocking the potential of your channel. As you embark on this journey, keep in mind that every small effort counts and can lead to substantial results. Using ReReam correctly is crucial for gaining significant watch hours quickly on your YouTube channel. This powerful tool can help you maximize your content's reach and engagement, ultimately leading to increased watch time, which is essential for monetization. By leveraging ReReam effectively, you can attract more viewers to your videos, encouraging them to stay longer and engage with your content. However, to truly benefit from ReReam, it's important to avoid common mistakes that many creators make. One key tip is to ensure that you're selecting the right content to promote. Not all videos will resonate equally with your audience. Focus on your best performing videos or those that align with trending topics to maximize viewer interest. Additionally, be mindful of the timing of your ReReam promotions. Posting at optimal times when your target audience is most active can significantly enhance your watch hours. Moreover, following the right steps is essential for success with ReReam. Start by thoroughly understanding the platform's features and how they can be best utilized for your channel. Create engaging thumbnails and titles that capture attention, as these elements play a vital role in attracting clicks. Consistency is also key. Regularly using ReReam to promote your content can help establish a routine for your audience, encouraging them to return for more. By implementing these strategies and avoiding pitfalls, you can harness the full potential of Reream to boost your watch hours effectively. Remember, the right approach can lead to substantial growth, so take the time to refine your strategy and watch your channel thrive. Setting up Reream effectively is essential for maximizing your YouTube channel's potential, and we're here to guide you through the process step by step. First, let's discuss the required devices. To use Reream, you'll need a reliable computer or laptop with internet access, as well as a smartphone or tablet for on-the-go management. Having a stable internet connection is crucial to ensure smooth operation and avoid interruptions during your setup. Next, it's important to access Reream using a special link provided in our resources. This link is designed to ensure that you're directed to the correct platform and can take advantage of any exclusive features or offers available to our community. Using the right link helps streamline the setup process and ensures you're getting the most out of Reream. Now let's walk through the steps for logging in and connecting your YouTube channel. First, navigate to the special link and create an account if you haven't done so already. You'll need to provide some basic information, including your email address and a secure password. Once your account is created, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll see an option to connect your YouTube channel. Click on this option and you'll be prompted to authorize Reream to access your YouTube account. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant the necessary permissions. Once connected, you'll be ready to start using Reream to promote your content effectively. By following these steps, you'll set a solid foundation for leveraging Reream to enhance your channel's growth and engagement. Creating a new stream on Reream is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your content's reach. To get started, first log into your Reream account and navigate to the dashboard. Here, you'll find an option to start a new stream. Click on this option and you'll be directed to the studio interface where the magic happens. Once you enter the studio, it's crucial to mute both the audio and video during the setup phase. This step is essential to prevent any unwanted feedback or distractions while you configure your stream settings. Ensuring that your audio and video are muted allows you to focus on the setup without interruptions, creating a smoother experience for you and your viewers later on. Next, you'll want to add your channel name. This is an important step as it helps viewers easily identify your stream and connects it to your brand. Enter your channel name in the designated field, making sure it's clear and recognizable. After that, you'll need to connect your YouTube channel to Reream. Look for the option to link your channel and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. This process typically involves granting Reream permission to access your YouTube account, which is necessary for streaming. Once you've completed these steps, you're well on your way to launching your new stream. By following this guide, you'll ensure a seamless setup process, allowing you to focus on delivering engaging content to your audience. Happy streaming! Uploading videos for streaming on Reream is a crucial step in enhancing your channel's visibility and engagement. To begin, it's essential to select videos that meet specific criteria, particularly focusing on copyright-free content. This means choosing videos that you own or have the rights to use, as well as ensuring that any music or visuals included are also free from copyright restrictions. Using copyright-free material not only protects your channel from potential strikes, but also allows you to monetize your content without issues. Once you've selected your videos, the process of uploading to Reream is straightforward. Start by logging into your Reream account and navigating to the upload section. Here, you'll find an option to upload your video files. Click on this option and you'll be prompted to select the video files from your device. Make sure to choose the correct files and confirm the upload. Depending on your internet speed and video size, this process may take a few moments. Additionally, it's important to consider the video format and length when uploading. Reream typically supports formats like MP4, which is widely used and compatible with most platforms. As for video length, aim for content that is engaging and retains viewer attention. Ideally, videos should be at least 10 minutes long to maximize watch hours. Longer videos can encourage viewers to stay engaged, increasing your overall watch time. By following these guidelines, you'll be well on your way to successfully uploading videos that enhance your streaming experience and contribute to your channel's growth. Optimizing your stream settings is essential for enhancing visibility and attracting more viewers to your content. One effective strategy is to target the Shorts feed, which has become a popular avenue for gaining increased views on YouTube. By creating content that fits the Shorts format, you can tap into a vast audience eager for quick, engaging videos. This approach not only boosts your visibility, but also encourages viewers to explore more of your content, potentially leading to higher subscriber counts. Another important aspect of optimizing your stream is renaming it for better engagement. A compelling and descriptive title can significantly impact viewer interest. When renaming your stream, consider incorporating relevant keywords that reflect the content and appeal to your target audience. This not only helps with searchability, but also entices viewers to click on your stream when they see it in their feed. A well-crafted title can make all the difference in attracting an audience. Additionally, activating the phone screen during your stream is crucial for optimal reach. Many viewers access content via mobile devices, and ensuring that your stream is mobile-friendly can enhance their viewing experience. By activating the phone screen, you allow your audience to engage with your content seamlessly, regardless of the device they're using. This step is vital for maximizing your reach and ensuring that your stream is accessible to a broader audience. By implementing these optimization strategies, targeting the Shorts feed, renaming your stream effectively, and activating the phone screen, you'll significantly improve your stream's visibility and engagement, setting the stage for greater success on your channel. When considering the various re-ream plans available, it's essential to understand the benefits of selecting the standard plan, especially for those looking to achieve quick results. The standard plan is designed to provide users with a robust set of features that facilitate efficient streaming and content management. With this plan, you gain access to advanced tools that can help streamline your workflow, making it easier to focus on creating engaging content that resonates with your audience. One of the standout advantages of the standard plan is its cost effectiveness, particularly in relation to the 30-day challenge. For a relatively modest investment, you can unlock features that significantly enhance your streaming capabilities, allowing you to maximize your efforts during this critical growth period. The potential return on investment is substantial, as the tools provided can help you attract more viewers and increase your watch hours, ultimately leading to monetization. By choosing the standard plan, you're not just purchasing a service, you're making a strategic investment in your channel's future. The features included in this plan are tailored to support creators in achieving their goals more efficiently, making it an ideal choice for those committed to the 30-day challenge. We encourage viewers to consider this plan seriously, as it can lead to better streaming outcomes and a more successful YouTube journey. Investing in the standard plan is a proactive step toward enhancing your content's visibility and engagement, setting you up for long-term success in the competitive world of online streaming. As we wrap up this discussion on monetizing YouTube channels, let's recap the key strategies we've covered. We explored the importance of setting clear goals and committing to a structured plan, such as our 30-day challenge, to achieve monetization quickly. We also highlighted the significance of using tools like re-ream effectively to boost your watch hours and visibility. Additionally, we discussed the value of selecting the right content, optimizing your stream settings, and choosing the appropriate re-ream plan to maximize your results. Each of these strategies plays a crucial role in helping you grow your channel and reach your monetization goals. Now, we encourage you to engage with our content. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow creators who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable information and resources for aspiring YouTubers. Furthermore, we invite you to explore our related videos for further learning on YouTube growth strategies. Whether you're looking for tips on content creation, audience engagement, or advanced monetization techniques, we have a wealth of resources available to help you on your journey. Remember, the path to success on YouTube is a continuous learning experience, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video as we continue to explore the exciting world of YouTube growth together.